guys, welcome back to my channel. First off, happy Thanksgiving to all my Canadian friends. Hope you guys are all safe and happy. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys are spending your Thanksgiving. Now moving on to today's video, I'll be playing with these two new Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palettes and creating this autumn fall look, so stay tuned. Honestly, I don't know what it is about eyeshadows in general that just makes me so happy. Whenever I go to Sephora, I always feel like a kid in a candy store, especially when it comes to eyeshadows. But anyways, I'll stop rambling about my eyeshadow obsession, and before I show you how I achieved this look, I'm going to do some swatches with these shadows and I'll let you know how it feels. And stay tuned till the end and I'll give you my honest review on these palettes. Oh, you know what I just realized? These shadows don't have any fancy names to them. They're just called Metallic 1, Metallic 2, all the way to Metallic 12. And then the same thing for the matte eyeshadows. It goes from matte 1 all the way to matte 12. So I'm just going to go in that order when I'm doing the swatches. So according to the Makeup by Mario website, the Master Mattes palette is inspired by human skin tones and has a feather light creamy feel which applies evenly with the medium coverage, but it's buildable and blendable with minimal fallout. Now I'll swatch the Master Metallic eyeshadows, and again, according to the website, this palette was inspired by colors found within our bodies and represents Mario's love of human nature. These creamy luxe shadows deliver a range of chromatic effects and can be applied with a dry eyeshadow brush for a light wash of color for a natural shine, or a wet brush to achieve a full coverage shine. Now I have not put on any primer on my eyes because I want to see how the shadows will sit on my natural skin. So with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to go into shade Matte 3 and apply it all over my lid. And then with the same brush, I'm going to go into Matte 4 and start building it up. So I'm going to first apply right above my crease. Then I'm going to go into Matte 7 and put that right in my crease with the same fluffy brush and make sure it's nice and blended. And then with a crease brush, I'm going to go into Matte 8 and just apply that right in my crease just to intensify the crease. And then I'm going to go in with the fluffy brush just to make sure everything is nice and blended. And then with the same fluffy brush, I'm just going to go into Matte 9 and just apply that towards the outer corner and drag it into the middle of the eye. And then with the crease brush, I'm just going to dip into shade Matte 12 and just apply that right on the outer corner of my eye. And then go back in with the fluffy brush and just make sure everything is nice and blended. Now before I apply the metallics on my eye, I'm just going to go in with a bit of concealer right on the inner corner. So I'm going to go in with shade Metallic 9 all over where I applied the concealer. And then take Metallic 10 and apply that right over Metallic 9. To highlight my inner corner and brow bone, I'm just going to go in with Metallic 5. And then for under my eye, I'm just going to go in with shade Matte 9 everywhere underneath. And then apply Matte 12 just on the outer corner. And then take the crease brush and then just blend everything. So that's it. This is the finished look with the eyeshadows. I'm just going to apply some mascara and some eyeliner and I'll be right back. So the matte palette is paraben-free, gluten-free and cruelty-free, and the metallic palette is cruelty-free as well. Each palette retails for 64 Canadian dollars plus tax. So I consider that to be a bit on the pricey side. I love the sleek white packaging of the palette because it just means that I can easily clean it when it gets dirty, and it's just so tiny and cute. I mean, it is smaller than my phone as well, so it is definitely travel friendly. Plus it comes with a good size mirror. Now in terms of ratings, I give both these palettes 3.5 stars each because when I was doing the swatches, especially for the matte palette, I noticed that the shadows felt more chalky than creamy as it says on the website, and it also had more than what I would consider minimal fallout. But when I was applying the matte shadows to my eyes, I didn't notice any fallout. However, for $64, I thought that the color payoff wasn't that great for both the palettes. When I was swatching and applying it to my eyes, I thought that the colors would be more intense. But they say it's easily buildable, so I guess there's that. And then lastly, when it comes to blending, all the shadows that I used blended very nicely and easily with each other. So that brings us to the end of our video. If you liked it, please smash the like button, and if you've tried either of the palettes or both of them, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below, and subscribe to my channel for more beauty related videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Till then, bye bye.